it's just like this trendy, like South American.
It's a hallucinogenic herb slash plant that makes you like sweat and crap yourself.
Yeah.
So mental die.
You gotta release the toxins, guys.
Right, it's all about the toxins and the chakras.
Yeah, I read some big articles. A lot of people are always talking about toxins. You need to flush out the toxins or whatever. Yeah, and I read this big article yesterday about how it's all bullish.
Of course, because they never tell you what a toxin is, how this process is working, why your liver and kidneys aren't doing this naturally.
Okay, but then why, when you get a massage, sometimes afterwards you feel like you're going to puke? And Ravi, you said, because all the toxins are released.
Right.
What is that? What is that?
It doesn't mean anything.
Nothing.
It doesn't mean anything?
No. At least according to the thing I was reading. It's hocus pocus.
Post-massage.
Me too.
Because I haven't had enough water.
Yeah, you're supposed to drink water.
Flush your system.
Your muscles need water.
Yeah.
So
So like you,
has nothing to do with toxins then?
No.
There's no buildup of toxins anywhere in your body.
I don't know. My hips seem to have some toxins.
Yeah. Oh, I get it. She wants some hand tied down there.
Got it.
Have you seen my body?
Yeah. The minutes you're doing that. And then what about you, Seabass?
I need a downer because I like relaxing. So I'm going to go with, I'm just going to snorting heroin because I don't want to try
Don't.
try marketing.
Just slow down too.
Cameron's probably going to use ecstasy.
Yeah, I'll pop. Should try to pop. The glasses, I mean, I started
So this souped up Veloster and I were coming up the Jamboree roadway, and this dumbass in the Mercedes up here decided to race past us, and he has now completely wrecked his car and thought he was so cool, but totally ruined his day. And now there's debris all over the road, and I just wanted to, you know, start my Friday, but we'll see what this guy did in a second because he's a genius. I also have it up on my dash cam, which I can pull later. But yeah, there's just crap all over the road from this guy. And here is the genius right here. Drive safe, guys.